Top 10 jobs that can get you out of debt for free. Being in debt can often be a worrying and distressing time, depending on how much you are in debt and how in control you are of your finances. However, the good news is that it's always possible to get out of debt. With time and effort, you can get through the pain of being in debt. You do need to realize that you have a debt problem and face up to the fact that you will have to change the way you deal with your finances. When you are facing the stress of credit card companies calling you day after day, you don't have 10 years left in your family's stress levels. Eventually, something will break. The main goal is to get out from under your debt as fast as possible so that doesn't happen. Here's the secret to killing debt. You do it by making more money when you are usually watching TV or just hanging out outside of your job. You don't do it by rubbing pennies together every month and saving. Even if you aren't creating additional debt, you may still feel discouraged by how long it'll take to rid yourself of your existing debt. Fortunately, you're far from helpless. To accelerate your debt repayment, consider snowflaking. Snowflaking is the process of using extra money gained here and there to pay down your debt above and beyond your planned monthly payment. Ideally, when snowflaking, you immediately apply any extra money to your debt as soon as you make it. Thereby, you can lower your balances and interests you owe, which can decrease your debt exponentially. Follow these tips to take the steps to get out of debt. Number 1. Selling physical products online. You can sell physical products online like books, computers, MP3 players, and etc. There are many dropship companies out there you can strike contracts with, and all you need to do is market the product with a website and they ship it out for you. If you have a non-retirement brokerage account that isn't returning at least the amount of interest you're paying on your debt, consider cashing in your investment. It's best to do this with investments that you've held for at least a year, as any gains you have had in the account will be considered long-term capital gains and will be taxed at a rate lower than your income tax rate. For larger, more valuable items, consider selling on Craigslist. You may be pleasantly surprised by the amount you can earn. For instance, I had 45 plastic storage tubs around my house, and I sold them on Craigslist for $75. Who knew? Craigslist is free to use, charging no fees, so all the money you make is yours to keep. However, you may want to price your item with room to negotiate, as people who search Craigslist are often searching for a lower price. Sites like Lifesta offer a place for people to sell some of the daily deal vouchers they won't use. In fact, some people even buy popular, expensive deals from daily deal sites and resell them on Lifesta or similar sites for a higher price than they were originally sold for. Though, I wouldn't recommend reselling if you're trying to get out of debt, as it may backfire on you if you can't flip the item. Number 2. You can get out of debt by selling virtual information. Ebooks, iTunes, internet courses, and coaching is a $100 billion annual business. Why do you think iPads and iTunes are so popular? Apple just opened its new ebook store and sold hundreds of millions worth of virtual information the very first day it opened. Take expertise or passion you have and write a virtual book by teaching others how to do it. It can be on anything. Golfing, cooking, dancing, guitar playing, etc. Get it online and then learn to market it via websites. Number 3. Get your own eBay. The next popular home business is eBay. You can easily grab all your unneeded junk in your home and people will pay you for it. Many people turn this into a serious business and go out and hunt down garage sales, secondhand stores, and estate sales for physical items they can put on eBay and profit on. Very simple to do, lots of running around though. Number 4. Create a website. The fourth best option to get out of debt fast is by creating websites and selling advertisements on them. This can easily be done by setting up a blog about a popular topic and advertising that you have space available. Or just start using Google's advertising network and they will take care of it for free. All you have to do is write the content daily and Google pays you for visitors clicking on their ads. Number 5. Consider a part-time job. If you're really serious about paying off your debt, you might consider getting a second job. Keep in mind, if you have to travel all over the place to go from one job to the next, you probably aren't going to make enough to offset expenses involved in the traveling. But if you're able to find part-time work online, including eBay, writing, making posts on forums, or whatever skills you may have, the money you make can be applied directly to your creditors as additional payments. During the holiday season, many retailers are looking for extra help with shelf stocking, customer service, and cash register duties. If you work for 2 months or so, you will likely end up with a few $100s to snowflake on your debt. Most retail jobs don't require experience, and you can expect to make $8 to $10 an hour. Some also offer an employee discount on merchandise, which could help you buy your holiday gifts for less. If you are a people person, you will be well suited to work in retail during the holiday season. With the holidays coming up, local retailers are on the lookout for flexible seasonal workers who can keep their stores operational during the busy festive season. If you're willing and able, you could pick up one of these part-time jobs and earn some extra cash to use towards your debts. Even outside the holidays, plenty of seasonal jobs may be available. Springtime brings the need for seasonal greenhouse workers and farm jobs, while summer calls for tour operators and all types of outdoor temporary workers from lifeguards to landscapers. Fall brings seasonal work for haunted house attractions, pumpkin patches, and fall harvest. Number 6. Pick up a side hustle. Attacking your debt with the debt snowball method will speed up the process, but earning more money can amplify your efforts even further. Nearly everyone has a talent or skill they can monetize, whether it's babysitting, mowing yards, cleaning houses, or becoming a virtual assistant. Making more money accomplishes 2 goals. First, you'll no longer have to rely on your credit card to make ends meet. Second, you'll have more money available to put towards your debt. You can increase your income by taking on a second job, doing freelance work, selling things on eBay or Craigslist, making money from a hobby, doing odd jobs, or starting a small business. With sites like TaskRabbit and Upwork, nearly anyone can find some way to earn extra money on the side. A sampling of jobs include a professional actress who will shoot a 15-second commercial for $5, a person who will send your child a letter from Santa for $5, and a person who will dress up in a hot dog costume and dance to a song of your choice for 2 minutes. Another person is willing to pretend to be your girlfriend on social media sites to make your ex jealous. To make money on this site, all you need is creativity and a marketable talent. The key is taking any extra money you earn and use it to pay off loans right away. Number 7. Start a business. One of the key tenets of prosperity is to own your own business. There are great home-based business options available now that give you the opportunity to create additional income for very low upfront investment and overhead from home and do part-time. Most of these home-based business options are in the direct selling industry, which has enjoyed extremely strong growth even during the latest recession. In fact, the direct selling industry has had 20 years of consecutive growth, and each week, 175 people in the US alone join a direct selling company, 500,000 worldwide. From the same number of hours that you would invest in a part-time job, which is temporary income, you can invest in building your own income-producing business that has the availability to create a residual income stream after you quit working it. This option should not be ignored, as it has helped many people from all different backgrounds and in all kinds of situations prosper in this tough economy. Of course, there are good home-based business opportunities and bad ones. Make sure to research your opportunity before you invest, and make sure you have the proper training and support in place to ensure your success. Number 8. Become a mystery shopper. You won't make a ton of money doing this, but you will frequently get to keep the things you acquire while mystery shopping. There are other money-saving benefits as well. For instance, a friend of mine has a steady gig at an oil change shop and gets all her oil changes done for free as a mystery shopper. A good mystery shopping site to use is JobSlinger. Apply the money you save by getting the freebies from the mystery shopping and utilize these extra dollars to snowflake on your debt. Number 9. Become a virtual assistant. An increasing amount of businesses have an online presence, and they need employees to assist as they expand into this realm. Virtual assistants work from the comfort of home and perform a variety of tasks, from clerical to administrative duties, and are paid on an hourly basis or by the project. There are several ways to start in this field, but a common method is to go to a site like Elance or Odesk and bid on a job. These types of sites usually offer low pay. However, if you do a good job, you can use the few jobs you complete successfully there as a springboard to more lucrative virtual assistant work, similar to why many people volunteer their time and work for free. The pay range for virtual assistant varies for tasks completed and your level of experience. Seasoned virtual assistants can earn up to $30 to $40 an hour, while new ones with less experience typically average $7 to $10 an hour. Number 10, have a garage sale. Have a garage sale to clear your clutter and you could make up to a few $100s. To have a successful garage sale, make sure to have all your items neatly displayed on tables and marked with prices. Sales that require people to dig through boxes to find items are usually not successful. Also, be sure to advertise utilizing free advertising venues such as Craigslist and Garage Sale Tracker. The classified section in your local newspaper may cost $15 to $20, but it will send you traffic and will likely prove to be a worthwhile investment. Place large, legible signs at the nearest busy intersection as well. If you hold your sale during a weekend, mark everything half off during the afternoon of the final day to clear out as much inventory as possible. Or consider having a fill-a-bag sale to get rid of remaining items. If you're anxious to pay off your debt, there are plenty of ways to make extra money with which to pay it down more quickly. With a little creativity and ambition, you will find many extra cash sources available. As you snowflake money on your debt, you will build confidence and momentum, which will help you create a positive financial outlook. As you gain confidence in your ability to pay down the debt, you will, in turn, find new ways to make and save money, continuing an ongoing pattern of healthy financial decisions and money management. When you're facing financial burdens and just don't know who to turn to, just turn to yourself and start generating an income so you never have to worry about budgeting your bills ever again. Hope this helps. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought of the video today and what you would do to get out of debt. Also, subscribe and like this video for more in the future.